Hello, nice to see you again on Great Garden Channel. Today I will show you how to revive a rotten orchid like this. When the orchid has all its leaves withered and only the stem and roots remain, do not throw it away. It looks like the roots are still fresh. I would remove all the wilted and yellow leaves and remove all the broken and rotten roots. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Keep only the remaining fresh roots. Cut off the flower stem so that the orchid can concentrate nutrients on new growth. Then rinse with water. Apply melted candle solution to the cut to prevent water from seeping into the plant. Use 3 to 5 minced garlic cloves. Soak garlic in 1 liter of water at room temperature. Incubate for 1 hour. We will leave this orchid root in a cool place. In the meantime, we will make a special fertilizer to help stimulate cell growth in the roots. I used a piece of ginger, like this. Slice the ginger into thin slices. After cutting, put in a jar. Then add 800 milliliters of warm water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover and leave for 2 weeks before using. After 1 hour, strain the garlic water and remove the residue. Soak the orchid in garlic water for 20 minutes. The remaining water will be sprayed on other orchid branches to help protect the orchid from insects and fungi. At the same time, garlic water also stimulates root growth and flower germination very well. "20 minutes later, take the orchid out and drain leave in a cool, dry place for 1 day before replanting. One day later, replant with pine bark and moss. We need to process pine bark and moss before replanting. Using boiling water is the simplest and most effective way to remove fungi and bacteria from growing media. In addition, boiling water also provides moisture to the pine bark. Faster, pine bark combined with moss helps retain moisture, drain well, and limit fungus. Along with that, pine bark also provides an airy environment, helping orchid roots grow healthily. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Place the orchid in a cool place for 1 week without watering. One week later. From now on, water the orchid to keep it moist. Then place the orchid in a place with a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and avoid direct sunlight. Regularly spray moisture to help the orchid live and revive faster. Two weeks later, here is the ginger water we made earlier. Use 3 tablespoons of ginger juice mixed with 500 milliliters of water. Ginger juice is considered an organic fertilizer that helps orchids grow new roots faster and stronger. In addition, the natural spicy aroma of ginger keeps snails, mealybugs, ants, mosquitoes away from the orchid pot, effectively protecting the plant without using toxic chemicals. Ginger water is easy to make at home and brings many unexpected benefits to orchids. Water this ginger every 10 days. Keep in a cool place and avoid direct sunlight. Cover with a transparent plastic container with ventilation holes and wait for the plant to revive. One month later, the roots have developed very well. So we fertilize the orchid with organic fertilizer, as I shared, to help the orchid grow healthier. Hope this sharing content will help you in reviving weak orchids to grow again. If you find it interesting, please remember to like, share, and subscribe so that my channel can soon reach 1 lakh subscribers. I have created many subtitles for the video. You can choose the appropriate language to understand what I share. Good luck to all of you. See you in the next videos.